Hello friends, in today's video we will try to unlock two very important ratios used in the stock market, that is return on equity and return on capital employed. I will explain you the importance of these two ratios, difference between these two ratios, and how a better understanding of these two ratios will help you in analyzing a stock for future growth. To start a business or to run a company, funds are required. The total funds that is involved in the business is called the capital employed. This fund includes the promoter's capital, shareholders' capital, reserves and surpluses, and the loan and advances that the company has availed to run its business. Out of the total funds that is available for the company, if we exclude the loan and advances taken by the company, we are left with only equity, that is also called shareholders' equity. ROE, that is return on equity, is calculated by dividing the net income or net profit of the company by the total shareholders' equity. ROE gives us a measure of how efficiently the funds has been managed by the business to generate profit. Let's try to understand the importance of ROE with example. Let's assume that there are two companies A and B which started their business with the same share capital, that is 1 lakh rupees, and at the end of the year company A generated a profit of 20,000 rupees and company B generated a profit of 40,000 rupees. So the ROE of company A will be 20% and ROE of company B will be 40%. It is very clearly evident that company B has very efficiently managed its funds and generated more profit as compared to company A. This is the importance of ROE in analyzing the performance of a company. Now let's move on to the second ratio, that is ROCE, return on capital employed. As per the formula, ROCE is equal to earning before interest and taxes divided by the total capital employed. The total capital employed includes all type of funds, that is shareholders' equity, reserves and surpluses, as well as loan and advances availed by the company to run its business. ROCE gives us a measure of how efficiently the company is able to manage its funds to generate profit, including the funds available through loan. ROCE is an important factor in analyzing the performance of a company which have availed a substantial or a high amount of loan to run their business. Also, it will help us in analyzing the performance of companies from capital-intensive sectors and the companies which are in emerging stage and have availed a high amount of loan to run or increase their business operations. Hope I am able to make you understand the definition of ROE and ROCE. In my next video, I will come up with the in-depth analysis of ROE and ROCEs. Also, we'll try to explain the difference between these two ratios and will explain how many companies superficially increase their ROE and ROCEs to attract more investment in their companies. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the like button.